50s Diner. Here, the 50s come alive in every booth with a spirit of rock and roll, checkered floors, and a menu that's a tribute to the era's classic comfort food. Joining us is Medal of Valor awardee Ariel Querubin as he reconnects with an old friend who happens to run this beautiful place.
Wow, ang lalaki ng serving, ang daming parang hindi nagbabago . Ano bang pinakamasarap dito? Ano ba yung best seller mo?
Ang best seller namin yung burger, tapos yung clubhouse, yung grandma's chicken, at may mga shake, di ba?
Yeah. Oy, ito.
Okay.
Yeah, oy. Tikman natin na
Oo. Ay, ganyan lang naman yan eh. Ha?
Sarap.
Okay ba?
Okay na okay ito.
Yan ang paborito ng mga bata.
Yeah. Ito siguro dinadayo nila kaya sikat na sikat yung diners. No?
Ang importante naman yung big serving, masarap. Isa pa pinaka-importante, mura.
Mura. Totoo yun, mura.
For over 3 decades, Baguio's 50s Diner has been a beacon of nostalgia, serving up not just meals, but memories in every bite.
Paano natin dito Tikim namin natin itong Grandma's. Pare, masarap to, Grandma's.
Yeah, okay.
Ang best seller namin ito.
Yeah, titikman ko na.
Okay.
At alam mo naman, Uy, ano to juicy, parang sarap. Ano pa lang, Talagang grabeng ito.
Okay,
Sarap.